Hello?
Yes?
Hey, it's Scarce here, and I was wondering, do you guys sell bleach?
What?
It's Scarce, and I was wondering if you guys sell bleach.
Yes, we sell bleach, but we're closed.
Oh, do you guys have a 10% off code though?
A what?
10% off code, like a discount code. I was wondering if I could use Phase Rains.
What?
Cause I hit a 720
Good
instant.
morning to somebody to help you, sir.
I need your, but
How about Tensors?
what about Tensor? Tensor. Usually he has the discount code for bleach.
Okay, listen.
I hit a 720 Insta Swap on Carrier. 720 Insta Swap.
Okay.
And then I was like, Norton Shat is God. Wow, and bitch. It was a black girl, what the fuck? What did she say? What did she say, like, Shakiri, or what's her name?
Hey,
Rain, he would upload that just because you said you
Oh, I know what, it was security, cause Walmart's closed, huh?
Ah.
Oh, okay, now I know what she said. She's like, okay, you need. She was hella hood, dude. I called like the hood Walmart.
Ladies, y'all stop. Ladies.
alright, CVS in Arizona.
See, Arizona.
Hey, you should call like Big Five or something.
Yeah.
Be like, I've been feeling really sad lately, and I was wondering, you guys sell any shotguns? Or maybe bleach?
Is Big Five even open?
I doubt it.
Oh no, I'll do that for a different store. Oh hey, it's Scarce here, and I was wondering if it's true.
Excuse me?
Is it true?
What matter?
What?
Regarding what, sir?
That JFK got billed?
Okay, thank you for calling Walker and have a great night.
Oh, you too. It's Scarce, remember.
Hashtag stay true.
Hashtag stay true. Oh man, he was so nice. He was like, thank you for calling.
Hey, the cops show up for your house. Did you say JFK got built? Yeah, someone was in the Black Ops 2. The game was.
No, that's
game
Black
was
Ops
JFK.
1 because JFK is in there. Is this Eero Station?
Yes.
I was wondering how this works.
You mean as far as the shows?
Yes.
Well, it's a 20-minute show. That's the basic show. It's $100 for 20 minutes, 50 to the house, 50
So do I
to the
fuck
girl.
you or you can't
And
yard me
anything
to
extra
listen
you
to
want
that?
to the full show.
So if I go there fully nude, I get a 20-minute show, or do I have to pay extra for that?
Well, as far as that's concerned, you can call back and talk to the girls as far as like what kind of shows that they do.
Uh-huh.
So, do I get there at fuck or something?
If you want to call back like in 10 minutes, one of the girls will answer and she'll tell you all about the show.
Oh,
And let you
dude.
know a couple different kind of shows.
Okay, I can do that.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
It's gonna get me fucking info.
Hold on. I'm gonna call 10 minutes. I'm gonna call one of the girl. What the fuck?
That's gonna be awesome.
Yo.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Hello, Air Station.
Hello?
Hello.
Free
Hey, this is Scarce, and I was wondering how much it is for a show.
Strike fear into their hearts.
Oh, okay. How much is it for, like, or how long would I get for $1,000?
Like I said, we have a 20-minute session for $100,
Uh-huh.
or, we have a 30-minute for $140, so you can stay as long as you like.
Oh, okay. And do you guys do anything special for birthdays?
I'm sorry?
Do you guys do anything special for birthdays?
No, just come on in.
Oh, Cause it's like my son's birthday. You know, he hit that double digits today, and I was wanting to take him in.
Let's bring him in.
Oh, for real?
He's old enough?
Yeah, I hit the double digits.
Just come on in.
Oh shit. Do you guys do any special treatments or just?
Look, just come on in.
Hmm.
Goodbye.
Fucking slut. We're just on the phone. Wow, that girl's a bitch. That wasn't funny.
You like it?
I'm lagging. That bitch was just like, come on in, motherfucker. Kick the dick.
DJ Sammy Productions.